you a look at these Roadtour 655 Hercules tires. Alrighty everybody, tire review for the Ford Focus. We have 205 65 15 Hercules. Forget the name on them, but they're Tour tires. I should have looked at that before I got in. We will have a walk around video of that. So this tire, I believe, is a 660. Got them from my favorite shop, Long's Tire Shop in Titusville. And I've got a little bit wider and a little bit taller, and it fits the car much better, gives it a little bit of poke on the offset, and fills up the wheel well just a smidge better, and it just looks much better. And actually, in my opinion, they handle better than my Michelin Defenders that I had on here. The original size was a 195 65 15. And driving my favorite little proving ground road here, and I want you to notice the tire noise. This is a very rough road, very porous, lots of cracks, lots of dips, and there's actually less road noise with these Hercules tires than my Michelin Defenders. So, and I'm not just saying that because I'm a, Hercules, whatever. I bought the Hercules, I got them at a real good deal. I think it was $384, rotate, balance for life, all the perks of the Hercules tires. And I couldn't be happier. To replace those Michelins would have been about 600 bucks. So, and I got them from my favorite shop, Melissa there and Robbie. So, very, very happy. But I just want you to notice the handling's better. I think I had a slight alignment issue during the summertime. But driving this with the Michelins in the rain scared me. And I don't scare driving easily. But the rain would be so deep with our summer torrential downpours. And it would just yank, the tires would get up in the water, and it was terrible. It really scared me. I thought I was going to go careening off the road several times. So it really, really spooked me. But as you can see, we're not giving these things any mercy. I'm running them about 35 pounds of pressure. And they're handling well. Handling very, very well. And but they're very quiet, very grippy. And they did so much better in the rain than those Michelins. Granted, the alignment could have been a big factor. But I feel safer with these tires. They look good, being a little bit bigger without being weird. They're very cost efficient. Got a nice tread pattern, nice sidewall pattern. They just look good on this car. I wanted to go with a 17-inch wheel, but I didn't want to get a lot of extra road noise. Just wanted to be nice and quiet while I'm driving, my hour and 15 commute, one way. So I wanted to be a nice, quiet ride. New stickers by Bear are pretty good. But the paint on the wheels is nice. The fronts are dirty, so we're not going to show you those. But it's just like a simple Krylon, real quick spray. So I haven't washed them yet, so we'll see how long it lasts. But overall, they are wearing really good so far. And it's a little beefier in the back too with the stance. A little bit of poke on the wheels there. So a little bit of offset instead of, you can see the width. But there's just tons of tread life on there. So looking at the front here too, we got the alignment, and that's definitely helped. But it seems like it's wearing pretty good. And honestly, I think it rides quieter than with the Michelins. So that's my take on it. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later.